no question about that. Those guys are always armed. But they would not, their weapons would be close by, reachable.
Well, I try to keep myself low. Try to keep myself low. Because you're not worrying about warring with nobody. But if you go outside, you can get hurt by a stray shot or whatever it is. But you try to keep yourself low.
Fostercell. Fostercell. Fostercell.
You try to teach us to live in unity with each other. Cause just across the road, the other call it is our enemy's turf, you know? And this man is well respected both here and there. So